Alrighty, what up, everybody? We picked up this hitchhiker over here.
Lock the truck.
Where are we, Jeff?
Lock the truck.
Where are we?
We're
The
at
truck
Holley,
is
bro.
locked. You see the mirrors folded in?
I don't know how that works, dude.
That's how you know it's locked.
Rich people shit.
No,
I wouldn't know nothing about that.
I am poor because of that truck, my dude.
We were at Holley in, where are we, Bowling Green, Kentucky?
Bowling Green, Kentucky. We were in Winfield, Kansas, and now we're in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And came here because...
We were in Nashville first, bud.
No, I know, but the last video, that's what they see. So, we're here because Cbear has a show, and where's your show? Broadway Street?
Broadway in Nashville.
In Nashville, Tennessee. And never been this far, so decided to come hang out with my boy. Been hanging out with the back of his hand because you know, he's been on his phone the whole time. But
oh, really?
We'll literally go pick the parts and look at all the way down.
Holy.
All the way up.
Yeah.
All the way to the top.
Place is massive.
So there's certain sections. So like this is race quip Simpson stuff. Over here, each one has a little different. Just gotta make sure we stay on this yellow area. But yeah, if you order any part from Holley, these are basic.
Simpson.
These are all the parts pickers.
Yeah, true.
Don't get the forklift, and these are special forklifts that can allow go up to the side.
Big exhaust facility.
This is 304. This is like the kitchen counter canteen. Dining parts all hand welded here.
So we just got done touring some of Holley. We couldn't film a lot of it. We got this hitchhiker looking at all the. We're at a Corvette museum with no Corvette. With no Corvette. Alrighty, so we're going back and we're going to the Corvette Museum. Today we got Joe. This is the Joe show today.
Aloha. How y'all doing? My name is Joe, and I always tell everybody I'm just happy to be here, and I am Corvettes. Driving.
We're gonna go drive some C8s.
Yeah, I'm down.
We got Cbear here, still talking to the back of his hand.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It's your boy. We're going to NCM Motorsports Park. Shout out to Ashley. She's gonna get us in some new C8 Corvettes. Jose and I are gonna drive. Joe's gonna ride in the trunk.
In the frunk.
Yeah, in the frunk. And yeah, it should be fucking pretty good day. I'm pretty stoked for it.
Hey, hang out with friends that try to get you in the driver's seat, not put you in the trunk.
The frunk.
The frunk, the freaking trunk. Oh no, but it's really great to have Jose out here. Smoky Bakery. It's a pleasure. I'm excited.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us.
You ever drove one?
I've never driven one of these, no.
The D, you just pull it up with your finger.
So Cbear did Cbear and took Joe for me. So I'm gonna try to film you guys as best as I can, you know. Apparently the car will start filming on the outside. I don't know how well this camera's gonna hold up here because I don't have my suction cup. Alrighty, so that is that. Things are sick. Yeah, at first I was like nervous because I'm like, I've never driven this track before, and he's just going. I'm like, I know you guys drive this all the time. But Ashley, thank you for letting us drive the cars. Greatly appreciate it.
Of course.
The Bees on Broadway for the second year in a row. And like he said, my name is Joe Comedy, and I'm just happy to be here. We are the Concrete Cowboys. We've been putting on shows all